Good morning, everyone. Today we will study about a poetry from the book of English of Standard 7th, and the name of the poem is The Squirrel. This is a poem which is written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. So every one of us knows what is a squirrel. So this is a squirrel. So the poet here is describing about this squirrel. Let us see the poem. He wore a question mark for tail. So the poet here says that he wore a question mark. Everyone knows what is a question mark. It is a punctuation mark. So you can see over here the tail of a squirrel. It is like a question mark. An overcoat of grey. So grey is the coat of the squirrel. This is the color of the coat of a squirrel. He sat up straight to eat a nut. So squirrels eat nuts. So the poet here is telling that the squirrel sat up straight in order to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. So the squirrel loves to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So the author is telling that when we run around the squirrel, when he is around his tree, then he runs the other way. So this is what he is describing about this squirrel. So the poet here is describing about a squirrel. He is telling that he has a tail which looks like a question mark. He has a coat which is grey in color. He sat up straight in order to eat a nut. Then he liked to tease and play, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So the author is Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Now let us see about the exercises. So exercises, here are some fill in the blanks. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, he wore a dash for tail. So question mark is the answer. Number 2, he liked to dash and dash. Tease and play is the answer. Number 3, he went the other way if we dash around his tree. So ran is the answer. The squirrel has a dash of grey overcoat. So the overcoat of squirrel is grey in color. Number 5, the squirrel eats dash. The squirrel eats nuts. Next is question number 2. Answer in one word. What according to the poet does the tail of a squirrel looks like? It looks like a question mark is the answer. Number 2. How does the squirrel sit to eat a nut? The answer is it sits straight according to the poem. Next, number 3. What does he likes to do? So the squirrel loves to tease and play. This is the answer to number 3. Number 4. What is the color of the squirrel's coat? It is grey. What is the name of the author of the poem? The author of the poem is Mildred Bowers Armstrong. So this is a simple poem about a squirrel, where the author is describing about a squirrel. Hope you have understand. And for your homework, you all need to write these exercises in a separate notebook. Thank you.